Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to do the Dreamy Glow effect. This is the clip I'm going to be using, as you can see. What you need to do first is we need to duplicate it. Option key, click, drag your clip up. Then we're going to go to our effects panel and we're going to type in the Luma key. I'm going to drag down top and we're going to type in Gaussian blur. Then you're going to go to your effects panel, you're going to scroll down, and what we're going to do with the Luma key is we're going to drop the threshold down to around 20 to 30%. This will help obviously increase the brightness and get rid of any of the darkness. Let's just say we did 25%. And then what we're going to do with our Gaussian blur is that we're going to bring the blurriness up. So I'm going to go with around 250. Next thing we need to do is we need to change our blending mode so that it's visible. And we're going to go with screen, as you can see here. Obviously, once you've done that, it looks really bright. So what you need to do is adjust the clip how you want. So to adjust that, we need to bring the opacity down to around 65%, for instance. And there you go. Here I've got my Dreamy Glow effects, as you can see here. Yes, my people, if you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.